Now Foods, Magnesium Glycinate, 180 tablets. Product Overview Description. Nervous system support. Highly absorbable form, supports healthy muscle, nerve and heart functions. Non-GMO. A dietary supplement. Vegetarian, vegan. Minerals. Family owned since 1968. GMP quality assured. Magnesium glycinate utilizes magnesium bound to the amino acid glycine, which facilitates intestinal absorption. Magnesium is a mineral that is critical for energy production and metabolism, muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and bone mineralization. It is a required cofactor for an estimated 300 enzymes. Among the processes that require magnesium are fat and protein production, as well as glucose metabolism. Magnesium status is also important for regulation of calcium balance through its effects on the parathyroid gland. Suggested use. Take 2 tablets 1 to 2 times daily with food. Other ingredients: stearic acid, vegetable source, vegetarian coating, hydroxypropylcellulose and silicon dioxide. Not manufactured with wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution: for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.